Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Stable Diffusion with Stability Matrix for AutoPainter AI. Step 1. Download Stability Matrix. First, go to the official Stability Matrix website. Navigate to the Download section and download the Stability Matrix file. Once it's downloaded, unzip the file into a folder. Run the stabilitymatrix.exe file. In the interface, click to install Stable Diffusion Web UI by Automatic 1111. Download DreamShaper. Next, select the DreamShaper model from the list and click the Download button. Wait for the download process to finish. Once that's done, click the plugin icon in the Stable Diffusion Web UI. In the plugin list, select the SD WebWI ControlNet extension, then click the Install button. Go to the Model Browser tab, select Hugging Face from the top, and download the Normal Bay and Depth ControlNet models for Stable Diffusion 1.5. Once the downloads are complete, go to the Packages tab and click Launch. It may take a few moments the first time. This will open the Stable Diffusion web user interface. At the bottom of the web UI page, check if the depth and normal models are installed correctly. If everything is in place, you're ready to connect to Blender. Set up AutoPainter AI in Blender. Now, go to the AutoPainter AI Addon panel in Blender. Set the ControlNet connection type to Local and press Test Server Connection. Then, press Search Available Models. You should see the depth and normal models available to select. Let's test it on a 3D model. Follow the texture generation steps, and you're all set. That's it. You've successfully set up Stability Matrix and Stable Diffusion for AutoPainter AI. Thanks for watching.